Good morning. All right, how you guys doing? November 10th, about 7:40 in the morning here. Little snowstorm in Chicago. We got about 3 inches of snow over here. Crazy, 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 crazy. So we got a little bit of that going on. Well, we got futures are on the move. All right, looks like it's going to be a parade on Wall Street today. All right, so everything moving to the upside. Diamonds are still slagging. Did I say slagging? I meant to say lagging. All right, still lagging on your diamonds. They're higher here now. They're higher this morning for sure. What's going on there? All right, so here's your diamonds with your hammers. So it looks like our hammers have go into force before the market's even opened. All right, so back to the upside here, pretty strong as well. All right, and the metals coming screaming back. All right, gold. We're going to keep an eye on industrials. Okay, another group that's been lagging, and then we're going to watch energy, and we're going to watch the banks, and we're going to watch the utilities. Okay. And XLB is part of that material, so that goes in with those metals. All right. So moving up here this morning, at the SPX, I got up 65.75 this morning, almost up 1%. All right. So moving to the upside is the way we're looking this morning. Government shutdown, still not cutting a deal, but getting closer. So do your job. They got one job to do. Just go do that job. Get together and make a deal. All right. So there you go. All right, but 471.69 on your spot on your diamonds, which is not even going near to taking out that day, the previous day. All right. So looks like we're stuck inside this 2-day pattern right now for all the futures right now. So all right. So looking for support and resistance numbers on the diamonds. I think that. I think if we come back into this side here, I think we're it's 464.87 was our low there. Now this was our exhaustion risk number. So I say that we'd like to stay above this number right now. This 469.28, 469.28. Now we are trading at 471.70 right now. So I'm going to look for some kind of support level around this 460. I'm going to go with even 469 dead even. All right, diamonds coming back down. All right, and that's what I'm looking at here. I'll give you like four. How about 468? 468.85. 468 spot 85. 468.85. All right. We get down anywhere down there, you might want to be looking at things and saying, okay, maybe this is where our support level is. Maybe we look to find some things. All right, if we can pick up. But it looks like it's going to be a parade today. All right. So diamonds, there you go. Better here this morning, and then SPY kind of running up here. What, $7? Closed at 6. We call it 671, and we're trading at 677 and a quarter. All right, so coming back up, not taking out the 2-day though. Okay, so that's 677.38. We're right there. Right, we're sitting at the 2-day high. All right, this was the big move back up on Friday. They really did fight back pretty good. All right, so again, hammers in force. It appears to be, and we'll wait and see. All right, there's things out there that can sneaky Pete us and get the market to come back down, but today's going to be tough to break. But anything can happen. All right. So again, here we go on the SPY, trying to take out the 2-day, and that's going to take 677.38, and we're trading right there right now. All right. And your Qs, same thing. Move back up. You got some of those. I was talking about on Friday about the tech stocks that moved up, and They moved up. They moved up pretty good here, but we'll wait and see what's going to continue there. Here is your triple Qs with the 222s all the way back up. How about no actionables in here at all till here? Pretty weird on the day. All right, it's been to heaven. All right, so 609.92 is what we got up to. 609.95. We're not quite taking out that 2-day because we're trying to chase down at 622.04, guys. So we're still $4 away from trying to take out this 2-day. All right, so stuck inside here. Remember, now, you're going to get a new green week, but this month is still going to be in peril. All right, and 637, guys, 637. Okay, that's where it's going to take to get this month back to green. All right, so that is a ways away. All right, I'm not blowing the whistle here, but what I'm saying is that even on these rallies right here, I kind of be protecting a little bit. All right, we'll see what happens. Again, metal's real strong. All right. So triple Qs. On my triple Qs, I want to get something that's a support level that's below, that's above this here. So maybe we're coming back into this area right in here. Now, this was our exhaustion risk, which we could not get to, okay, on Friday. All right, so we need. So what I would say, anywhere above 612, we need to stay above that. Okay, we need to stay above 612. If we start to dip down into the 612 area, back into this line in here, could be trouble abounds. All right, coming back in. But let's see what kind of pulling in we get today. All right, so that's the futures. That's what we're looking at here this morning. We're tipsy-turvy here a little bit to me is what I see. Couple names going here. We'll watch. We're going to watch our sectors right on your XLF, and remember the diamonds are a little bit weaker here this morning. Just not not like the big shots like the SPYs and the Qs. All right, but respectfully enough up. All right, so we'll see if XLF can get continuation to the upside. We got the 3. We're looking to take the 3-2 up on that. What is XLF right now? 52.91. So 52.91. We're right around in this area in here. So looks like for magnitudes we're looking at, I mean, I could chase you right there at 52.90, but we already beat that out. All right, so we start to come back up in this area right here, guys. All right, on magnitudes, 53.29. That's a little bit, not horribly too far away, but it's going to need a little bit of room. All right, XLI couldn't get outside. Could not. 154.20 now, so there's your 154. Coming up a little bit into this area right in here. This is where the battle's going to be fought for the industrials. All right, so again, right now 154.20. So coming back up here, what's that? 154.04. So we're coming right back in near, right in here. All right, we're going to be battling with this business right here. All right, good luck with all that too. All right, that looks they might just storm through too, so be careful there. All right, XLU finished strong, closed out on the highs with the big outside day. It's tree day. I don't see it going tree again, but that'd be something, huh? Get a new lower low. That'd be nice. We'll see. We got a pretty good parade going on right now. They're winding up the floats right now over in Wall Street. All right, so XLU, and where are we trading right now? 89.92, about 28 cents. All right, so not quite through $90 yet. We're really got to get through all this business right here. All right, so that's where the battle's going to be fought with the XLUs. And again, what you do have about XLU is you have all full time frame continuity. All right, so take advantage of that. All right, looks like the Utes will do a little run in there too. Right, I wanted to look at that again. All right, XLF. There you go. You got your inside month. Now, inside month means inside. You know what that means. It's like we're not expanding by any stretch. So we're gonna watch the 60s and see what moves there. All right. So XLF. You got the colors on your side. XLE on your energy. 222 back up on the dailies. This thing didn't get the outsider, but it got definitely higher here. All right, so and we're trading at 89.70, up about 13 cents to start the day. All right, so again, the hammers have gone into force, so we'll see what happens here. All right, all right. So that is kind of like the Dow. There's a few names. This really. Not too crazy. We'll go through some text. Crispy is on the news this morning. It's a little bit higher here, 57.30. We do not have full time frame continuity on this one. All right, 64.87. So we're still inside month, and it looks like we're going to still be inside week, and we're trading at 57 bucks. So we're handily inside down the week, all right? But that looks like it wants to take the day up, all right? So day coming up, but still stuck inside on the week and still stuck inside on the month. Crispy a little bit better there this morning. Run SunPower, run, 1831 with your run. All right, got up to 1803, trading at 1831. That's going to be taking day up. All right, so solars. We'll take a look at FSLR. What's going on there? 274.30. Current trading at a little bit higher, about $5. All right, got a nice hammer here too on First Solar. That looks like they're taking into force as well with full time frame continuity. Run, First Solar look pretty good. Utilities look a little better. So that whole group, maybe energy, maybe that's the winner today. I don't know. They might come back for some of the garbage they left behind, like some of the real estates and the metals. And the metals are ripping this morning, ripping. All right, metals right back into play with everything. All right, so there you go. First Solar. What else here? NCLH. This one got crushed, right? With the 222 down with the bad earnings, trying to fight back already here, man. 1948, 1972. All right, 1972. That's a year. All right, 1972. We're going to take that day up on NCLH. You do not have full time frame continuity, so be careful with that one. All right, look for things that are moving your way. All right. Look at United Gas, Natty Gas green everywhere except for the day. Now we got to get this 2-1 back up. Look at this 14.12 closed at 13.95. I think Natty Gas goes higher. I like Ford. Ford keeps stalling out up at 13.30. She gets up there, falls apart. Gets up there, falls apart. Wait, see what happens with the futures today. All right, Merck is higher this morning. Merck getting out of the murky Merck. All right, look at this. It's already been making the moves on the upside on the day. Did not ignore the fact that the market was down. Somebody should have sent Merck a memo. All right, this looks good. Full time frame continuity. I think it's time for Merck to make its move back up and get back up to that high 91.20. I like Merck a lot, but buy it on pullbacks. Don't chase it. The thing's tough to trade. All right, so Merck there. Macy's just been a champ. Higher this morning now. 2055. Look at the take day up. It's kind of been stalling out a little bit. You notice how the month got a little lighter, man. It was going to the gym, lost a little weight on the month. All right, so it's going to have to get that muscle back. All right, we'll see if that can get back and put back going there. All right, what else is kind of moving here? The solars are all right. All right, let's go through the and then we'll finish it up here. Avgo. I talked about Avgo on Friday. We saw the buyers coming back in on Friday. All right, we saw that. We saw the coming back up with the 60s. Where's it at? 385. This thing's up like $40. Forget about it. I'm not touching it. I bought a little bit of Avgo and I bought a little bit of Oracle. I mean, looking to dump them. if they start to move really too good. All right, Oracle was coming up on Friday as well. We saw all this movement here at the end of the day Friday. So it looks like a parade's coming, but there's people going to be taking some profits off of this too. All right, so Oracle, Microsoft is better here. Microsoft is where's Microsoft? 501 from 496.82. So there you go, trying to take that day up here, 499.34. We're looking at 501 and change. All right. So guys are coming in on the office now. It gets a little loud. Roblox is getting better. I think Roblox gets back up to maybe 111 soon. Probably triangle out a couple times too. All right. So let's leave it at that. I will get back to you during the day sometime. All right. Be good. Be good.